All right, today is July 22nd, Friday. I'm here with my partner in crime, Lucy. And the first thing you notice is that we have removed, prior to this, there was a set of doors on the left and a set of doors on the right. We now have one main entrance, double doors, and pardon the mess, but we're in the midst of the HVAC ducting. You can see that we've got some of the vents, or the venting areas installed. So this will be our reception area. Here is the adjusting location. And you can see they're working on putting the HVAC units up there. Let's walk back this way. Let's see, what do we have down here? This will be
my mom's office.
Yeah, this will be Dr. Julie's office.
She has her own
In here, and bathroom. And we have a storage area. And this is the break room. And coming back here, we will have Lucy's walking through walls. This will be the massage space where Julie is going to find therapists that are wanting to rent out a spot. What is this one? This is the laundry area. Main bathroom. And here we have, there's the wall that Julie will stand behind for x-ray. And the exam room. And that is the grand tour. But as you can see, we're coming along further with the ducting. Hopefully that'll be done next week. Drywall, a couple days. Then mudding, taping, painting. We already got flooring delivered, sitting in our garage just waiting to be installed. So we are making progress. Please be patient. Stay tuned. Over and out.